great.
Ooh, look at that. Is it a little loose?
Color.
Finny, what else do you need to cut a chainsaw down?
Cut a chainsaw down.
What else do you need to cut
Thank
a
you,
tree
my Uncle
down?
Mark.
This is Mark's chainsaw. I wonder if Mark has a saw for you.
Oh, we got
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
That's for you, Finny.
Just look
Yeah.
over
Just like this one, right?
Remember my camera?
All right.
Okay,
Finny,
then.
ready?
Look at the chainsaw.
Whoa, it's just like, whoa! That's kind of cool, too.
And then here's the on-off switch. So down is on. Hold on. I'll teach you. Hold on. Listen. Down is on. Then you pull it. Hold on. Wait. Turn. Here's your volume.
Wow, are you
And then
gonna
here's
cut
your
it?
throttle.
Wow. Are you a worker man?
I'll hold it right here. And then here's your gas. Your finger.
Finny, give him some gas.
Squeeze it.
No, right here, Finny.
Put
Right
your
there.
thumb there. And then pull this one. There.
Oh my goodness. Can you cut some trees down, please?
Both of them. You gotta do both. Yeah, it does. Yeah, that works.
You better start cutting.
Make it go.
Can you remember what Uncle Mark showed you?
Watch. Remember, you gotta hold that part down. And then the trigger.
It cracks me up.
You want me to hold them? Okay.
You gotta start it.
I
Oh,
should.
bless you.
Yeah.
You gotta pull this to start it.
Pull it.
Pull it.
Pull it up.
Whoa.
And then it's off. And then
pull
you
it?
start it.
Finny, pull it.
Give it a pull. There
Yeah.
you go. Let go. Pull it and let go. And then you're ready. And then put one hand here.
Another on it.
And then squeeze. There you go.
Yeah.
That little helmet is so cute.
Push the little lever down. And then pull it.
You want me to wear it? Sure.
Pull the lever.
Nice.
Start it. There you go.
Good job.
Let go. Let go of that. And then grab this. Grab this. There you go.
That's right, Finny.
Wow.
I'm actually gonna wear the clippers.
This is a big one.
I'll let Finny help Mark. Finny, help Mark cut that down.
Here, right here. Cut this one.
Cut this big
Cut
one.
this one. Right here.
Oh, good job.
Cut it.
Yeah, did you
Yeah,
just cut
this
it?
one. Cut this one right there. Go in. Go in and cut.
Woohoo! Good job. Oh, good job.
Cut it down.
Yeah.
Got a nice little stack of wood here.
Finny, you know.
Yeah. Get a big stubber.
Finny, you know what we have to do now? We have to move the wood. Can you help? Let's move
Can
it.
you turn off your saw?
Let's move it. We have to take it over here.
Turn it off. Set it down.
Now you gotta set it down
Set it
and
down
get
by
the
now.
wood.
Oh, good job.
Ready? Look, Finny. We're to put the wood away.
Here, take one to Anna.
Cute. Thanks. I mean,
Good
it's not pony,
job.
but it looks really
I'm
healthy.
gonna cut this tree down.
Got another tree down?
Yeah.
Here, take that one down.
Oh, that's a big one. You want it?
Yeah, thank you. Look, I'm gonna put it
One
away.
more. Whoa. Take that one.
Ooh. Thank you.
This one's really heavy. Try this one. That's heavy duty.
Whoa, heavy duder. Is that building your muscles? Thank you.
Show Uncle Rex your muscles, Finny.
Where?
Now we gotta make our little brush pile.
Do
you love everybody?
Does
everybody love
Finny,
you?
do you love everybody?
Hey, I love everybody.
I love everybody.
Oh.
I'm gonna kiss. Wait, we need kisses. Anna and Stephanie need kisses.
I love you.
You don't forget the cover
And
of
a
your
hug.
song.
Oh, how about me?
Yeah, put this on your son. Take it
Nope.
outside.
Kiss, Finny.
Uncle
Uncle
me a
Rex
kiss.
needs a kiss.
Can you give Uncle Rex a kiss?
Ooh, nice.
I love you.
You want
Bye,
to give
buddy.
Uncle Mark one more
He
kiss?
can give you a look.
Can we all move in with you?